Should you buy a subscription to Pika or Higgsfield if you need transitions for your AI videos? One of the hardest things for AI to do is when AI hallucinates, it's how do you keep consistency between images? And a lot of AI startups have tried to solve transition software. And the two main apps that are on the leading or bleeding edge of this are Higgsfield and Pika. Pika has been out a little longer on the transition side, and Higgsfield just launched a new transition software on top of their already existing product. My name is Jonah Blake, and I run an agency called Real Agency. We specialize in go-to-market creators and strategy for a number of companies, both AI and not. And the reason I got into AI is because when you build an agency, your job is to create the best efficient plan or the best efficient execution for your clients. And it's clear that AI is going to be a big part of that. So I want to take you on my journey as I learn AI with you and I spend my own money before you spend your money. So let's get into it. I want to be as unbiased as possible. We're going to use ChatGPT 4.0 and we're going to have that hallucinate a prompt for both Pika and Higgsfield. And then we're going to compare and we'll see the results. We'll have like a scorecard. Okay, so let's go plug this into Pika. We have image 1. Let me copy and paste this beautiful image of our president, Donald Trump, on the left. We're gonna have the pudgy penguin on the right. Let's run it. Let's open up Higgsfield. We're going to do this one, and the end frame is going to be our pudgy penguin. So we're gonna see how this shows up in general.
A few moments later.
Okay, so Pika already made our file. Okay, all right. So that's what it looks like. Wait, his hands. So his hands. He turns like purple. Oh my god, the beak comes out of his face. That's interesting. We got the Higgsfield. All right, so we're gonna play it. Let's see if it's good. What the hell? I'm gonna say I think Higgsfield wins this one. So I'm gonna give the morphing for now to Higgsfield. Now we're gonna go to action and movement. Let's make a new folder. This is the movement. Okay, so we have 2 shots. How about we do one where a car is coming? So let's say I prefer this response. Is that what is that? Is that a Subaru? Why did it hallucinate a Subaru? I don't know why it did that, but that's interesting. All right, so let's start with our action movement scene. Let's make a prompt. All right, and now we're gonna go to screenshot. We're gonna do bicyclist. Part 1, part 2. That's pretty close. And then we are going to generate. All right, so let's look at Pika. He looks like he's not biking correctly. Like, did he just pop a wheelie? Did he pop a wheelie in my AI video? I think he's just showing off in my AI video. He popped a freaking wheelie. What? I mean, it looks cool. The muscles also not bad. Here we go. Here's Higgsfield. You know what? Pika did better. Pika won this. I don't even need to make it cheat. That doesn't make sense. So on a movement, Pika won. And now we're doing scene setup. So let's do this on Pika now. This is the Pika prompt. This for the first photo and this for the second photo. We're going to do the same thing for Higgsfield, and this is for all the marbles. So, all right, let's check what Pika did for the final scene. Oh, wait, that was good. Do it again. The way it shattered was so cool. Did the olive just disintegrate? This one reverberated. It's not bad for a very simple prompt. We're using ChatGPT to prompt this stuff. And now we wait for Higgsfield. Actually kind of tough. That's tough. I'm not sure. This one shattered it in a different way and it's kind of like hallucinating. Initially, this one has much higher definition. You know what? Sorry, I think Pika did a better job. The background changing of the bar in Pika is less dizzying versus the background of this where it looks like I'm in Doctor Strange's house or something. Anyway, you have to let me know what you think. Do you think Pika won? Do you think Higgsfield won? I'm going with Pika personally. 2-1 Pika versus Higgsfield. We do have to give Higgsfield the benefit of the doubt. Higgsfield just launched their version of this product, whereas Pika has had some time to refine it. If you like this content, feel free to give me a subscribe or a follow. That's it. Bye-bye.